Did you know that there is a guy in charge of your energy levels throughout the day? It's hidden in food and called Glycemic Index. Picture a scale from 0 to 100. Foods with carbs like fruits, veggies, bread or dairy all have their own number on that scale. That number tells us how much those foods raise your blood sugar, aka glucose. Think of high GI foods like a sprinter. They take off super fast, raise your blood sugar and give you energy. But just like a sprinter, that energy burns out just as fast. You feel great for a moment and then crash. You're tired, hungry again, and maybe even a little cranky. Low GI foods are like marathon runners. They start off slow and steady, but they keep going. You get a nice, stable flow of energy that lasts longer. No big spikes and no crashes. Just smooth and steady fuel for your day. Let's say you have an important presentation today. What to eat to stay energized all day? Number 1. Breakfast and lunch. For breakfast, boil eggs or make scrambled eggs with fresh veggies like spinach, arugula, pepper and tomatoes. Eat plain Greek yogurt or cottage cheese with nuts and seeds like chia, sunflower seeds, almonds or walnuts. Try oatmeal with cinnamon on top and fruit like berries, peach or apple. Or eat whole grain bread with cheese and some good quality ham or turkey. For breakfast, avoid simple carbs that spike your sugar and then leave you crashing, like sugary breakfast cereals, white bread, jam or honey, pancakes and waffles with syrup, donuts, croissants and cakes, or flavored fruit yogurts. For lunch, try whole wheat pasta with broccoli, tomatoes, fresh parsley, basil, and olive oil. Lentils with chicken breasts and non-starchy veggies like asparagus, cauliflower, or Brussels sprouts. Eat fish or seafood with cooked black beans, spinach, tomatoes, avocado, and flaxseed oil. For lunch, avoid white or jasmine rice, potatoes and French fries, white flour tortillas, or instant ramen noodles. Number 2. Snacks. Feeling hungry between meals? Go for low GI snacks. Try this. Homemade green smoothie. Blend spinach, cucumber, celery stalk, and avocado with water, chia seeds, or ground flaxseed. Or try fruit version. Blend your favorite fruits with a peanut butter, walnuts, almonds, milk, or water. Whole grain toast with avocado and plain yogurt with fruit, nuts, and seeds are a great choice too. If you have absolutely no time to prepare a meal, just grab a fruit or vegetable. Skip this. Candy bars and marshmallows, cookies, cakes, donuts and muffins, chocolate, crackers, pretzels and chips, and rice cakes. Number 3. Stay hydrated. To keep your energy levels stable, try plain or sparkling water, infused water with citrus, cucumber, ginger or mint, herbal teas like peppermint, lemon balm or nettle, and green tea with no sugar, coffee with no sugar, or homemade protein drinks. Mix almond milk with a spoon of peanut butter, cocoa, and chia seeds. Delicious. Avoid sweetened fruit juices, sugary sodas, sweetened iced tea or lemonade, energy drinks and sugary sports drinks, or flavored coffee drinks. When I say avoid these foods and drinks, I am not saying never have them. But if you want your energy and focus to stay solid for a long time during a specific day, that's a good time to swap the avoid stuff for choices from eat this list. That's it. I will also share a simple chart in the comments showing more foods with low, medium, and high GI for more inspiration. Which of these foods do you want to add to your diet and why? drop a comment and let me know. Watch the next video to find simple ways to boost your everyday well-being. Thanks for watching and see you next time.